How do building code violations affect property title? Imagine buying a home only to find out later that it has unresolved building code violations. This situation can cause serious issues with the property's legal ownership and transfer process. Building code violations happen when construction or renovations do not follow local safety and building standards. These standards are set by local governments to ensure structures are safe and meet specific requirements. Violations can include unpermitted work, unsafe electrical wiring, or structural modifications that lack proper approval. When violations are not fixed, they can turn into legal problems that affect the property's title. One common consequence is that violations lead to liens. If a property owner ignores notices from local authorities demanding repairs or penalties, fines can accumulate. These fines can turn into liens, which are legal claims against the property. Liens must be paid off before the owner can sell or transfer the property. If unpaid, they can prevent the title from being clear and marketable. This means the owner cannot easily sell the property without resolving these issues first. Another impact is that unresolved violations can make the title unmarketable. Courts recognize that a property lacking necessary permits or safety approvals does not meet legal standards. As a result, title insurance companies might refuse to insure the property. Without title insurance, lenders and buyers are less willing to proceed with the sale. This can cause delays or even cancel the transaction altogether. Disclosing violations is also a legal requirement in many states. Sellers must inform buyers of any known code violations. Failing to do so can lead to legal claims for misrepresentation or fraud. When inspections reveal violations, buyers may request repairs or renegotiate the price. If violations are not addressed before closing, it can cause delays or cancellations. Getting a mortgage or insurance can also be more difficult if there are building code violations. Lenders often see properties with violations as higher risk. They may refuse to finance the purchase or requiring higher premiums for insurance. This reduces the pool of potential buyers and can lower the property's value. Local governments often issue notices requiring owners to fix violations within a set time. If owners do not comply, penalties increase, and further legal actions can occur. These enforcement steps can include additional fines or even seizure of the property in extreme cases. Such actions complicate efforts to clear the title. To avoid these problems, sellers should conduct thorough inspections before listing. Fixing violations and obtaining permits beforehand can prevent legal issues. Disclosing any violations in writing to buyers is also wise. Buyers should do their own inspections and title searches to find potential problems early. Understanding that title insurance might not cover violations is important. Consulting with real estate attorneys or title professionals can help identify and manage risks. In summary, building code violations can create legal and financial hurdles that make a property's title difficult to transfer. Being proactive about fixing violations and understanding local laws helps keep the transaction smooth and ensures clear ownership.